Hello everyone and welcome to GK Gyan. Today's result for the prelims exam of LIC AAO IT officers has been declared, and in next coming 20 to 25 days mains examination will be there. And many of you must be wondering or are confused means what to study for specific two sections, that is professional knowledge and insurance. Okay, many of you are referring to some books, many of you are confused. I just read in Telegram groups also, many of you are means really confused what to read and what to study regarding these topics. So let's start. Means I will not tell you exact questions what are going to come because I also don't know, but I will tell you which books you can refer to study these things, and definitely questions from those books will come. Okay, so let's first of all see what's the pattern of the mains examination of LICW. Basically there are four sections. Okay, first is reasoning ability. In these 30 questions will be there. Maximum marks will be 90, and 40 minutes you have to at least score 45 in this section. Okay, every section has its sectional cutoff, and that is 50% for sure. Okay, it is given in the notification. You have to at least score 50% if you want to go to the interview. Okay, then comes the GK and CA. In GK and CA you can just go for the 3 months current affairs and some static, okay, some days. Basically Tokyo Olympic questions will surely come. Okay, so go thoroughly with that. And in reasoning ability you can easily score 65 to 70 marks. Okay, puzzles will be there. You just have to solve out the puzzles and you can easily score the numbers in this section. Then comes the main section, that is professional knowledge. Okay, last time many students failed in this section. Okay, and so we will see means what type of questions in this, and I will tell you the topics from which the questions came last year. And then comes the insurance and financial market. For this you can refer to Insurance Institute of India books. Okay, there are 3 books which I will tell you. You can refer those books and questions will definitely come from those books only. Last year questions directly appeared from those books only, and few general basic insurance questions also appeared, which I will discuss later in this video. Okay, and once these 4 sections are over, means 120 minutes are over, then other section will appear, that is the English section. In this you have to write a letter or an essay. Okay, 2 questions will be there, and this is only a qualifying section. If you go with the correct format of the letter and with the starting, the intro and all those, then you can easily score the 25 marks in this section. Okay, let's come to the main thing which we are going to discuss in this video, that is the insurance and the financial market. Okay, for this first book is the Principles of Insurance. In this book there are 9 chapters are there. You just have to go through this. You don't have to read each and every page of this book. Just go through the index. Okay, index you will find the chapters, and in the annexer just go through the chapters. Okay, and just like first is the risk management. You can just go through the basics of this chapter. Then second chapter is very important in this, the concept of insurance and its evolution. Okay, in this you can just go through the history, means how, when the insurance started, what is the basic concept, how these pools are made and all those stuff. Then what is the insurance market also you have to go, and insurance customers, means who are the insurance customers, who are the probable customers. Okay, the insurance contract. In insurance contract and insurance terminology, questions will come from these 2 chapters mainly. Okay, terminologies can be asked, just like what is nomination, what is assignment. These terminologies can be asked because these are very basic terminologies. Okay, what are life assurance products? And it's not insurance, it's assurance products. So I don't, it means from this chapter no question will come, so don't go through this. General insurance products can be asked. Okay, 1 or 2 general insurance products. Then comes the history of insurance. You have to go through, and what is the history of insurance in India. Okay, you have to remember means when nationalization of LIC has occurred, just like in 1956, when IRDI has informed who is the chairperson and all those stuff. You have to go through this. Okay, so basically you can go through this, and max to max if you go through this in 2 days you can complete this book. Max to max 2 days. Okay, then let's see the second book, that is IC02, Practice of Life Insurance. In this questions will come directly. Okay, just like what are the premiums, then on means if someone has taken a policy of just remember 5 lakhs and he is paying premium of 20,000, then how much tax benefit he will get, in which section he will get the tax benefit, all these stuffs will be there. Then what is annuities, means basic questions will also be there. Means they will simply ask you the definition, what is annuities, what is group insurance. Okay, so practical life based questions will be there. When you open this book you will get means what are group insurance, and you will get some questions also, practical life based questions. Linked life insurance policy, it will not come. Okay, then applications and acceptance, they can ask what are the policy documents. Basic terminologies from these can be asked from you. Okay, just like this policy lapse, what is the revival, assignment, nomination, these can be asked from you. And that tax related questions that appeared, 2 to 3 questions were there last year, so that will surely come. And they can even ask you, means in which section it will, how much rebate he will get, all those questions will be there. Okay, so be ready for that. And the last book is the applications of life insurance. In this you don't have to means read everything, just like you just go over through of reinsurance, what are the tax laws, then what are the claim manager, they will not ask you anything. Okay, and the takaful, it's Islamic insurance, basic abbreviations they will ask, or basic terminologies they can ask from you in these things. Okay, but yeah, remember that tax questions will be there, basic questions regarding insurance, what is life insurance, how many companies they can ask, and regarding general insurance also they can ask. And few questions will be from the current economic scenario also. Okay, that is financial market scenario. Then let's come to our professional knowledge. In this, just remember there are going to be the lot of questions from DBMS. What is DBMS? Then the architecture of DBMS can be asked. What are the keys in DBMS? And some full forms from DBMS can be asked. Okay, then operating systems, different type of operating systems, what are the different TCP and IP layers. Then from those layers itself questions can be asked, means what is the specific role of that layer, or means they will give some function and they can simply ask which layer is doing this function. Then question from the network, or you can networking can be there, just like star topology, bus topology, these basic terms they can ask. And basics of computer also can be asked, just like CPU and all those basic stuff which you have learned in school. Then many questions from MS Office will also come. Okay, means they can ask some basic functions of Microsoft Excel, or which version of MS Office is currently there, and all those they can ask. And abbreviations will also be there. Okay, so be ready for abbreviations also. They will give you some short forms, and basically from DBMS and these OS they will give you the abbreviations, and you have to tell them is what's the full form, or they can give you abbreviation, means this is this and what is the functionality of this, they can ask this also. Okay, so just prepare these all stuff. You can find on internet all the means things regarding DBMS. Many lectures are there on DBMS and operating systems. Yeah, and remember some questions on Linux will also be there, because LIC uses Linux till now. Okay, and in different regarding networking they will surely ask 3 to 4 questions, and regarding this TCP and IP layers also they will definitely ask many questions, and the more and more questions will be on DBMS. Okay, so best of luck guys, and soon I will come with more videos also with some questions also maybe. Okay, till then best of luck, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.